Hey, I'm the How-To Dad, and this is Henry, and in this video we're going to show you how to make this really easy bird feeder out of a wine bottle and just a 1x6. Stick around, we'll show you how to do it. We also got to use fire to cut this bottle in half. Alright, so yeah, like we said in the intro, Henry and I are going to show you how to make this really easy wine bottle bird feeder. It's 2020 and I know you got a lot of empty wine bottles left around. Why would that be?
Because you were drinking so much wine.
Because you were drinking so much wine, that's right. Yeah, so basically all you're going to need is you're going to need a 1x6, a wine bottle. Plans for this build is on the website, beddeskplans.com. They're $1. Don't want to spend the dollar? Use the coupon code El Cheapo, get the plans for free. Alright, here we go. Later in this video, I'll give away a Pica Dry pencil and start a new giveaway of this BMI Magna tape level. It's a meter stick tape and a level all in one. This thing is sweet. Following the plans, lay out all the cuts you need to make using a straight edge and a pencil. We used a jigsaw for all the cuts, but you could use a handsaw if you don't have a jigsaw. A circular saw or a miter saw would also work well for this. What? No ads on this channel. Now the nice thing about a jigsaw is that it's relatively safe to use. For beginners, it's basically one step up from a handsaw. Here I'm scribing out the shape for the bottle holder. This is what the wine bottle will rest on to keep it up from the bottom of the feeder. I simply cut this out with a jigsaw. A coping saw would also work really well for this. Here, we are assembling the base of the feeder. Because we're building this out of pine, and pine has a tendency to split, it is important to pre-drill all your screw holes. I really like to see how Hankster just wanted to get involved and just grab these tools and work. It's really fun to build something with your own son. It kind of adds a whole new level to creation. Like, when something you created is creating something, that's just cool. Okay, there you go. Pull the trigger. Yay! Good job. The back to the base. Whoa! We pre-drilled the holes to attach the base to the back of the feeder. Hey! Hey! It's kind of looking like a bird feeder now, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like a throne.
Like a throne?
Yeah.
Like a bird throne.
Yeah.
Take that. Okay. Put it in there. Okay, we want that to be about an inch away from the bottom. Is it? Okay. After marking the location of the bottle, we installed it using screws. Alright, so now we've got that. What are we missing?
The roof.
The roof! Okay, you want to build the roof now? Altogether, this build probably took Henry and I about half an hour. That's not bad when you're working with a 5-year-old. So then we're going to put the roof on there like that.
What kind of hole will it make when you use this one to make a hole?
Okay, so what we're going to do first is we will pre-drill here. Wait. Did we build a birdhouse or a bird feeder?
Gotcha.
Gotcha. We didn't paint it, but you can get really creative by making it more beautiful by painting it and doing whatever you want with this. This is basically just, right out of the box, put it together, hang it on the line, and watch the birds come. Put the bottle into the bird feeder. Pull that string tight, and you just wrap it around these screws a couple of times, and then tuck it in, and it's generally locked in place. Filling the bottle with seed like this was a real pain, so we came up with a much better and faster way to get the bird seed in the feeder. Basically, we knocked the bottom off the wine bottle. All right, for this part of the project, you're gonna get your wine bottle. I took the label off this one already. Some acetone, a lighter, scissors, some string, and just something to pour the acetone into, and a bowl of cold water. We actually put some snow in that water to keep it really cold. Now, basically all you're gonna do is you're gonna take your string, you're gonna wrap around your bottle where you want it to break, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 times. Take the string off, douse it in the acetone, and light the acetone on fire. You're gonna spin the bottle around while it's on fire, and then dump it into the cold water. Look at that. 3, 2, 1, and it worked. Look at that. All right, so yeah, that worked pretty good. So the next thing we're gonna do is I'm just gonna take some sandpaper. I'm just gonna sand down those really sharp edges. This will be a lot easier to fill up. I don't have to use that silly cone thing. I just put the bird seed right in there, put it right in the bird feeder. There we go. All right. All right, so that was pretty fun. We actually started filming this video at the beginning of the pandemic, and we didn't know how long the lockdown was gonna last, and unfortunately we're going into our second one. So I finally got to editing this video, and we got to do a couple of improvements on this. So we're really happy the way it turned out, and it was fun working with Henry. I think we're gonna maybe do a couple more videos together in the future.
Yep.
Yeah, you wanna do that? All right, that'd be cool. And Henry has one more thing he wants to show you. You got a really cool Christmas present. Let's see it. Squirtle.
It's a Pokemon popped out. This is Pokemon.
All right, cool. We love watching the birds at this thing. It's really fun to see what what birds come. Chickadees are really fun to watch, and they come and go. And the squirrels, watching the squirrels try to get on this thing is really fun too. So I'm going to do the giveaway for the Pika Dry pencil. The way that I'm going to do that is I've selected a comment at random for the Bin Master fold down workstation shelf build, and the winner this week is Rob White. All right, so Rob, I'm going to get in touch with you, figure out how to get you this pencil, and I'm going to start a new giveaway today, which is this BMI Pika magnet. Now this thing's kind of cool. So this is a level basically that rolls up into the body of this tape. And so now you basically have a level anywhere you go. You can actually test the level between two surfaces relatively easily. And yeah, it's pretty cool. I like the way that it folds up. You just kind of clip it like that, and then you just tuck it right back into the body of the tape, and you've basically always got a level. You can stick that in your tool belt, in your pocket, in your toolbox, whatever you'd like. So if you want to win this tape, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Also, let me know what you think about the ad situation on YouTube. Are you getting annoyed with it as much as I am? It's been really cool editing this video and seeing how my video techniques have improved over the past year. Like I said, I made this video at the beginning of the pandemic. A lot has changed around here, a lot has changed with my channel, and it was really cool to see that, and I'm happy to see how my content has improved, and I hope you think so too. And if you do, go ahead, hit that like button, maybe consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. All right.